Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Today I was going to show you a slotted PVC filter or bleach filter, water filter, whatever you want to call it. This is what we use for soft wash setups, roof cleaning systems. This is going to help keep all the debris and whatnot out of your 12-volt systems or whatever type of system you're using. Let's take a look. All right, here it is. PVC slotted filter, whatever you want to call it, bleach filter. We use these on the water side and the bleach side. So you can see that it's slotted. Both sides there, has the end cap. Banjo barb on here. This one right here is 1/2 inch. We can throw a 3/4 in here if you're running 3/4 inch lines. Works pretty good with keeping the debris out of your roof pump systems. As far as, just a little tip, as far as this, we don't recommend putting anything on here, just screw it in tight. And then as far as the poly braid, just heat it up and slide it all the way down on this barb and then just drop it in. If you guys are plumbing this stuff in, I'll show you later on, but we prefer using unisills. So the poly braid hose would go all the way down through the tank and then just connect onto this. That way you don't have any bulkhead or fail points. But if you guys need a bleach tube, pickup tube, I'm going to put a link down below. Go ahead and order these. If you're in a local area, you can stop in and pick one up. We'll have a bunch of these ready to go. All right, guys, have a great day.